What's up guys, welcome back to another video by Felice Russo Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a paludarium out of a 5-gallon critter tote that you can get at your PetSmart, Petco, Walmart. I'm not sure wherever you guys can find these, so without further ado, let's get started. Now what I got here is a little water pump that I got off of Amazon. And here I just hot glue gunned it in, so that's a watertight seal. And I left some tubing here, and I'm going to show you how we're going to use this inside of here. Now I added the little pump right in the corner there, and I left this tubing a little bit longer, and I'll show you why. Now it's important to do this phase without the gravel in there. That way you can use the suction cups at the bottom to grip down on the plastic, and that way you can also kind of bury it in the gravel and make it look a lot more realistic. So now I'm going to show you guys what we're going to add next. So now what I did was I added this little tree root aquarium decoration in there, and I fed the water pump right inside of there. So the idea is that this is going to fill up with the water, and then it's going to trickle down and have like a little waterfall effect inside of the aquarium. And I think this is going to be really good when the final product is done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add this gravel. I ordered all the products that I'm using in this video off of Amazon. So this is just a little bag of gravel. We're going to add that in, make this look a lot more natural, and I think the black color rock is going to look really good for what we're going to be doing here. So yeah, let's get the gravel in there and we'll see what it looks like after. Alright guys, so now we have all the gravel inside of the aquarium here, and we're ready to decorate it with some plants. Alright guys, so now what I did was I added some more greenery, some plants back here, and I added plants back here as well to hide the hose and the pump. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some water in here, get the pump flowing, and I'm going to show you guys how amazing this final product looks. Alright guys, so this is now the finished product. It looks amazing for a quick little 10-minute build here. So as you can see, we have the water dripping down the little tree root. We got the water section. It's a great little setup. So what you can add in here is maybe some tetras, some kind of newts, maybe a very small baby turtle. But besides that, since this is a small setup, I wouldn't really add anything too crazy in here. However, you could make this bigger, get a bigger aquarium, and do the same approach. I got a light on top. I really think this water feature came out amazing. You can see that. The way it drips right down into the water. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.